Please note, this is not a scene from a video game. In the free United States, dangerous situations happen every day. Thursday, 2 p.m., Riverside County, California police. While on duty, they spotted a black pickup truck violating traffic. Immediately, they ordered the vehicle to pull over. According to the audio recording, when the officer asked, the driver suddenly pulled something out and attacked the officer. Nearby witnesses immediately called for help. When medical team 5 arrived, Officer Cordero was seriously injured. He did not survive. Riverside County Police received an urgent call. An emergency warrant was issued. The suspect was a 44-year-old male who committed serious offenses and was accused of harming an officer. Police considered him extremely dangerous. All area law enforcement agencies were requested to immediately assist. At 3:07 p.m., a patrol officer from Belmont Police Department spotted the suspect driving a black pickup truck. Multiple attempts to stop him failed. Backup was requested because the suspect was armed and extremely dangerous. A large police force was mobilized. Reportedly, the entire force was involved. Over 100 police cars arrived on the scene, along with special vehicles and helicopters. A street chase began. The suspect drove on a Highway 60. He was blocked by police barriers. Even as the vehicle was damaged, the suspect kept driving and tried to evade capture. He returned to Highway 15. Special forces arrived for support. Police tried to stop the suspect multiple times. Eventually, the suspect's vehicle was badly damaged. The vehicle stopped at a safe area. From the helicopter's view, the suspect led the pursuit, driving on Highway 15. Special police vehicles followed behind. The pickup's tire went flat. White smoke came from the tire rubbing against the road. Police ordered him to slow down. Special vehicles prepared to block him. Police tried to ram the rear of the pickup truck, making the vehicle lose control. Eventually, a police car tried to block it but failed. Unfortunately, they couldn't stop it completely. The vehicle sped up despite being damaged. The suspect showed no intention. The pickup's tire flew off after impact. Speed dropped to 15 miles per hour. The car started to lose control, swerving from the inside lane to the outside. Finally, the vehicle stopped in a safe area. A police car made direct contact with the pickup. The suspect inside the vehicle began to react. Police were forced to respond. Police cars persisted in that position. A gunfight continued in the nearby area. That's right. Even though police shouted stop, they continued with dangerous actions. After 3 confirmations, the suspect fell to the ground and could no longer resist. The standoff ended. Investigation reports show the suspect was taken to the hospital. However, he was pronounced dead as he could not recover. The cause of death was multiple severe Forensics injuries. Found a large number of gunshot wounds. The 9mm pistol used by the suspect was illegally owned. Many police officers were put on administrative leave. Riverside County Police discussed with the judge and expressed their dissatisfaction. Matt K. was not charged with a serious crime. According to the law, he would have faced 25 years in prison. However, he was released on bail. Matt K. did not appear in court as scheduled. Instead, he continued. After being arrested, the judge again agreed to grant bail when the incident occurred. The suspect thought the officer would arrest him, and a confrontation started, increasing pressure on the officer. Sadly, the officer was only 32 years old. Later, police erected a monument for Officer Cordero and held a solemn funeral. More than 300 law enforcement officers